Sea lions and dolphins and seals. Oh my! This is Dan from SoCal Creature, and we're checking out the Ocean Institute in Dana Point and the Marine Life Boat Tour. Ocean Institute is an educational and research facility located in Dana Point Harbor. It's open to the public on weekends and has a ton of activities you can choose from, like tide pool hikes,
kayak tours, aquariums and touchtanks, birthday parties, summer camp,
whale and marine life boat tours, bioluminescence night cruise, beach cleanup, squid dissection,
and virtual tours, so you really don't even have to show up. Wait, did that say squid dissection?
Yes, squid dissection.
Why does it have a hole in it?
One thing I learned is that lower intelligence life forms like myself can have a hard time differentiating between a food source such as jellyfish and dangerous plastics floating in the ocean. I'm looking at the beautiful jellyfish.
That's not jellyfish.
That looks like jellyfish.
That's trash fish.
This is one of those two things. After weighing our options, we said yes to the boat tour and nah to the squid dissection.
Welcome on board the Sea Explorer. It's a beautiful day to be out here. As we round the jetty, we'll be out into the Pacific Ocean.
Look at all that bird poop. It took us a little time to get where we were going, so we killed some time by making ample use of the onboard hot beverage bar and goofing off in the cabin. How's the hot cocoa? Good. This small island gave us a chance to harass some harbor seals that were just trying to take a nap. We also found this buoy and took the opportunity to harass these sea lions, who were also trying to take a nap.
That is correct.
The icing on this cake was when our tour guide started to mock the sea lions to get a rise out of them. Look at their heads come up.
That was awesome.
Are you ready to see some dolphins?
Right there. So you might see dolphins jumping out of the water and wonder, why do they do that? So dolphins jump out of the water for speed and momentum.
Now, she might have a master's degree in marine biology, but I've got my own uninformed opinion, and we live in an era where those two things carry equal weight. So here's my take on what's really going on. When the sentry dolphins first detected the invasion of their homeland by the human vessel, they raced back to their headquarters to alert their supreme commander of the looming attack. The commander, being wise in his years and having seen many times the destructive nature of these human invaders, summoned all the citizen dolphins and commanded them to surround the invading vessel and put on a magnificent show of force. The dolphins did lay siege to the vessel and outmaneuvered it at every turn. After an exhaustive pursuit, the human captain finally had to acknowledge that he was sorely outnumbered and relent. Then he began his retreat to the safe harbor of Dana Point.